Vent my thoughts, man. Just my thoughts. Take them as they come, catch them as they appear. Real nigga shit.
Jumped up in the game to get money is the object. Know you gotta hustle hard when you fucking up the profit. In the kitchen whipping, trying to send my niece to college, cause her mother got a problem and them jails got a problem. Many lessons learned in the streets made me a scholar. Them slutty bitches holler when they think you got $1. But when you dead broke, them hoes won't even call you. So why you calling now? Got me thinking why bother? It's a war in the streets, so I gotta pack my armor. And I'm about to see death and be judged by your honor. I did a lot of dirt, but it's this thing called karma. And man, it's a bitch when she creep down on you, but my mind gone. From all these trees, I'll be blowing like a bad storm. Raindrops on your head, get your suits on, put your boots on, call your troops, dog. Time to load and unload and get your shoe on. My past is my past, in the present I'm the future. Never trust a soul, anyone to fucking do ya. That's why I told her, Ruger, mama praying hallelujah. You wanted to be, so I'ma bring it to ya. Mama in the church, and I'm running the streets. Daddy long gone, somebody pray for me. And I'm gratefully thankful for what you gave to me. And I'm walking this pavement that you paid for me. But they lock us in chains, it's like it's slavery. Man, this world is a mess, it ain't no saving me. But I'm here in the flesh, you wanna play with me. Bars leaping like blows, watch what you say to me. I waited patiently to show them ain't no fading me. They didn't wanna see it, now them niggas hating me. Guess everything changed when you learn to pave ways. A different road so they wouldn't try the same thing. Dropping thoughts, hope you catch them as they all appear. If I die tonight, I pray the Lord I reappear. Just to show them they can never kill what's truly real. Just to show them they can never kill what's truly real. Why the shit I spit so sick but I ain't got a deal? Why the homeless living homeless and ain't got a meal? Kids dying in the school, nobody say for real. True thought it could've been your kid that got killed. Life's too real, and I done seen a lot. We all struggling, hustling on these trouble blocks. Somebody call the cops cause they saw me selling rocks. I'm just trying to feed my fam, damn, I'm all they got. Put your guard down and you become the perfect plot. Blind to the fact that homies scheming off the top. I'm loyal company, bring nothing but fuckery. I kill them all for my dog, put your trust in me. I'm all alone in this cold storm, sad right? And why you 20 deep, you must be the scared type. And why you calling for your niggas, you a man, right? Get caught and can't wait to take a stand tight. Man, this ain't right, man, this ain't life. Mama bustin' the ass so we can have lights. Rents due, kids need food for the bread, the evil shit that men do. Niggas plotting on your life trying to get rid of you. Talk to get them first, don't let them fools get at you. Shit's critical, so I became the pinnacle. And I'm just venting my thoughts, homie, from me to you.